Good morning, students. Since we have finished with the chapter, so let us solve the back exercise which is given at page number 102. First, tick the best choice. Heat is a form of energy. So, the answer is C, both A and B. Just tick it. Heat is a form of energy which causes sensation of warmth or coldness due to random motion of molecules. So answer is both A and B, that is C. So tick mark here. Next is unit of heat energy is. The answer is C, that is calorie. Just tick mark it. Then 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joule. So take the B. 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joule. Just take it. So the answer of the first is C, second is C, and the third is B. Now move to the next. That is fourth. Normal human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. 37 degrees Celsius. That is B. B is the correct answer. 37 degrees Celsius. Now moving to the fifth. During melting, heat is absorbed. The answer is B. When the heat melt, in order to melt, it absorbs the heat. So answer is B. Now fill in the blanks. Change in temperature of a body depends upon nature of its material and amount of heat supplied. Once again, change in temperature of a body depends upon nature of its material and amount of heat supplied. Now the seventh is whenever there is change in state of matter, temperature is remain constant. The answer is remains constant. So जब भी state change होती है तो temperature जो है वो constant रहता है. There is no change. Now the next is water when heated from 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, it contracts. The answer is contracts. Water when heated from 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, it contracts. Ninth, radiation requires no medium to travel. Radiation requires no medium to travel. Then the 10th one, the process of heat transfer by way of actual motion of the particle of medium being heated is called convection. C-O-N-V-E-C-T-I-O-N, convection. Now, even I have written this here. Fill in the blanks. The sixth one is nature of its material and amount of heat supplied. Seventh one is remains constant. Eighth one is contracts. Ninth one is no. 10th is convection. Now you can see it. Clear. Now move to the third. True or false? Hot air is heavier than cold air. This is false. Hot air is lighter. Clear? So this is false. Conduction currents are set up when gas is heated. This is wrong. Convection. आंसर यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए था? Convection. और यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए था? Lighter. So conduction currents are set up when gas is heated. False. Major part of space is vacuum. That is true. Radiation is possible in vacuum. That is true. Conduction is a slowest mode of heat transfer. That is true. So once again, 11th is false, 12th is false, 13th is true, 14th true, 15th true. Now the next is Match the following 16. Conduction. Molecules vibrate. In conduction process, the molecules vibrate about their mean position. Now, the B part is convection. Molecules actually move. This is the definition of this. Conduction, convection and radiation. Now, radiation, movement of molecules not required. The heat is directly passed. So, B, C, A. So, this is now definition that you can do of your own. Calorie क्या होती है? Condensation, melting and temperature. You simply write the definition of this. You have to write the definition only. Definition लिखना. Okay, now numericals are given. Solve the following numerical problem. The first one is convert 50 degrees Celsius to Kelvin scale. Now I have solved here. Convert 50 degrees Celsius to Kelvin scale. Now T is given, that is 50 degrees Celsius. And we know that T in degrees Celsius, that is equal to 273 plus T in Kelvin. So T is given here, that is 50 degrees Celsius to 273. This is the lower fixed point of the Kelvin scale plus T. T that is given 50 degrees Celsius. So 273 plus 50, it is 323 Kelvin. Now the only thing which you have to learn how to convert degree Celsius into Kelvin. The formula you have to learn, that is 273 plus T in Kelvin. So this is your answer. Now move to the next. This is 22nd. Convert 293 Kelvin to 0 degree Celsius. Now in this case K is given, that is 293 Kelvin. We know that like this 273 plus T, that is equal to 293 Kelvin. ये given है, this is given. So T we have to find. तो just transpose it here, 293 Kelvin minus 273. तो आंसर is 20 Kelvin. इसको यहाँ से इधर लेके आ जाओ, माइनस करो एंड यू विल गेट 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस, नॉट केल्विन, इट इज 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस. वी आर कन्वर्टिंग 293 Kelvin to 0 degree Celsius. 293 Kelvin we have to convert into डिग्री सेल्सियस, इसमें कन्वर्ट करना है इसको. तो फार्मूला यही लगेगा, 273 प्लस टी डिग्री सेल्सियस इज इक्वल टू 293 Kelvin. टी जहाँ पर रहेगा इसको इधर ले आओ, माइनस इट एंड यू विल गेट 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस. नाउ मूव टू द थर्ड वन, that is convert 60 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. Now we know that formula we have done, C upon 5, that is equal to F minus 32 upon 9. Cross multiply karo like this and then this. So what will happen? 9 into C, 9C, 5 into F, 5F, 5 into 32, that is 160. Now Fahrenheit is given, that is 68 degree. Put 68 in place of F. 68 आ गया यहाँ पे. 5 into 68 minus 160. Multiply 68 by 5, you will get 340. So 340 minus 160, that is 180. So 9C is equal to 180. So C is equal to 180 upon 9. Just cut it and you will get the answer 20 degree Celsius. So with this, these three numericals are solved. You can see it once again. You can see the first numerical again. Move to the Next one, this is the next numerical, 20 degree Celsius. Now move to the next. Answer in details. Define heat. Give example of heat energy. Define units of heat. It is given on page number 83 and 84. So let's move to page number 83. Okay students, you have to start from here. This is question number 24. It is very much given. It is very much given here. So first of all, you have to write the definition. Heat can be defined as a form of energy which causes sensation of warmth or coldness. Or even you can write this definition also. Heat is also defined as a form of energy due to random motion of molecules of an object. Write this, and after that straightway come here examples. The first example you can write here. In refrigerator and air conditioner, we draw the heat and throw it to the atmosphere to get coldness. First example. Second example you can give from here. We know that all matter is made up of atoms and molecules. Molecules of an object move here and there aimlessly. While roaming, they hit one another to produce heat energy. So, ये example हो जाएंगे आपकी. This is example 1. This example number 2. Means you need not to write all these things. Only जो मैं tick करवा रहा हूँ that you will have to write. First start from here. Then these two examples. Then move to the next page. Next page is units of heat energy. You start from here. Underline, I have underlined. Unit of heat energy is Joule having symbol J. What most commonly used unit of heat is calorie having symbol CAL. So this is the definition. 1 calorie is defined as amount of heat energy used to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. Okay, till here you are supposed to write. Now these are the relation that you can learn for the objective type questions. You have to learn it. Okay, so now move to the question number 25. What is temperature? Explain different scales of temperature. It is given on page number 84. So on page number 84, I have underlined temperature is degree of hotness or coldness of an object. Then straightway you can start from here. Fahrenheit scale. Write Fahrenheit scale and then start writing from here. This scale is on the name of the inventor, Fahrenheit. In this scale, water turns into ice at 32 degree Fahrenheit. It means ice point of scale is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Steam point of water in this scale is 212. Total scale between these points is divided into 180 equal parts. Each part or division is called degree Fahrenheit, which is denoted as degree Fahrenheit. You can draw this diagram also. Degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. After writing this, you can move to Celsius scale. So you can start writing from here. The lines which I have underlined. Ice point of scale is 0 degree. Celsius steam point of water in this scale is 100 degree. Total scale between these points is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part or division is called degree Celsius, which is denoted as degree Celsius. Up to here only. Then move to Kelvin scale. There is another unit of temperature, that is Kelvin, having symbol K. Then no need to write this line. You can write from here. Ice point of scale is 273 Kelvin. Steam point of water. This Total scale between these point is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part or division is called Kelvin, which is denoted as K, or you can draw this diagram also. Up to here only. This is the answer of question number 25th. Only you have to write the underline पैरास, जो मैंने अंडरलाइन कर रखी है लाइंस, वही आपने लिखनी है. क्लियर? सो दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. नाउ मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. डिस्कस इफेक्ट्स ऑफ हीट इन डिटेल विद एग्जांपल. It is given on page number 87 and 88. Page number 87. 87. Effects of heat. Start from here. First is change in temperature. You start from here only. Change in temperature. Only underline you have to write. Start from here till here. Decreases temperature, decreases. We know that heat flows from body at higher temperature to body at low temperature. Thus, when a body is heated, its temperature increases. On the other hand, if a body is cooled, its temperature decreases. After writing this, straightway come to here. Start writing from here. Change in temperature of a body depends upon the nature of its material and also on the amount of heat supplied. Then after, you can give this example. When tea pot containing water is kept on same mode of a cooking stove, its temperature rises slowly, but when it is kept on high mode, its temperature rises quickly. Okay, after writing this, move to the next page. That is change in size. Write change in size and then start writing from here. Only the underlines. Wheel of a cart are fitted with flat iron rings. By heating the rings red hot, this increases the size of the ring, so it fits easily on the wheel. On getting cold, it shrinks in size and fits very well on the wooden wheel. You are asked to write there. Then you can write this example also. Rubber ring of pressure cooker lid becomes loose after use. Its size increases when heated time and again. Clear? Then there is another thing is that is change in state. It is given in page number 90. It is still question number 26. This is also the part of question number 26. This is the third one, change in state. So you can write from here. Whenever you can write from here, change in state, then you can start writing from here. Whenever there is a change in state of matter, temperature remains same or unchanged. Only this much you can write. So with this, your question number 26 is finished. Now move to question number 27. What do you understand by the expansion and contraction with change in heating? It is page number 88 and 89. Page number 88. This from here. This is question number 7. What do you understand by expansion and change in heating? So you can start from here. We know that when an object is heated, its size increases. Substance generally expand on heating and contract on cooling. After writing this, you can start from here. Rollers, full para, and then you can give another example. Start from here. No need to write observe. You simply write electric wires on poles during summer and winter. You will find them to be loose in summer, then winter. Wires expand during summer and contract during winter. And then after, you can write here, liquids and gases also show thermal expansion and contraction. Since liquids and gases do not have their own shape, so they expand or contract in their volume. Liquids and gases show different change in their volume according to their nature for same rise in temperature. So this question is finished up to here only. Now the next question is, explain with example the good conductor and bad conductor of heat. Page number 91 and 92. Page number 91. No need to write this. Simply start from here. Good conductor. The substance which allow the heat energy to pass through them easily are called good conductor of heat. Metals are good conductor of heat. Move to the next page. Heat of iron, aluminium, mercury and copper. Till here you can write copper. Then from here you can start writing from here. Only underlines. Para. Good conductors of heat are also known as heat conductors. Some example, copper conductor heat faster than aluminium and aluminium faster than iron. So then move to the next, that is bad conductor or insulator. Start writing this, only all the lines you have to write. Clear? And then with wooden plastic up to here. Then real world application is there. Any two you can write from the summer session or any two you can write from the winter session. That is up to you. You can write any two of these four examples. You can write any two. In summer session you can write two. In winter session you can write any two. Now move to the next question. Question number 29. This 30 question is not there since this topic is not there in your syllabus. In how many ways heat is transferred? Explain each mode. So you can straightway reach to page number 99. This page number 99. You can write by three ways: conduction, convection and radiation. Then you can write all these things in your copy. All this 5 points are given. All the 5 points you can write. This is the answer of your last question, that is question number 19. You can question number 29. This is question number 9. There are three ways: conduction, convection and radiation. So with this, this chapter is completed. Exercise is completed. If somebody has any kind of doubt regarding anything, you can send me the message, WhatsApp message, or you can clear your doubts on the doubts online class. So that's all. Thank you very much.